girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Rap to you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate you. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lays it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Lil vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty with your baton. Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato. When Shawty get in the work, I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or ignorant perk. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like your sisters, but I make me try.
Okay, you guys, that is hands down the quickest that I've ever installed a unit. Okay, so you guys, today's video is sponsored by Tinashe Hair. They sent over this amazing water wave unit. I think this is literally the perfect quick pick up and go summertime unit. This is a pre-cut unit. So I did a glueless install today. I didn't use literally anything to install this unit. I didn't use any got2b glue spray. I didn't use any like gel or anything. I didn't use absolutely anything, you guys. Okay, this is a completely glueless install. I can lift this up. Okay, y'all see the cap up under there, and I can lift her right back down, and boom, she's ready to go. And it's also just a gorgeous unit altogether. I wanted to make sure I came back once the hair completely dried down so you guys can see what this hair truly gives. This is a closure unit. I'm not sure if this is a 4x4 or a 5x5. Well, no, it can't be a 4x4. It might be a 5x5 because look how far back the parting space goes. It goes back so far. Love the parting space on this unit, and the density is not too bad either. I would say that this is possibly like 150% density to 180% density. I don't think it's anything thicker than that. and this is their 22-inch. This is a water wave texture, if you guys are wondering, and I really like this texture. This texture is a really beautiful water wave texture. Like, I absolutely love it. Like, for it to just be so quick and easy to put on, and as far as like styling goes, you don't really need to do a lot. You don't have to add the baby hairs if that's something that you're not really interested in. You don't have to do that, and I love that about this unit, because some units, like, you have to do the baby hair because the lace is like so obvious, but this lace is actually really good, and I love that about it. So I did use the Ebon lace tint spray in the color dark brown, and that definitely helped, like, you know, melt the lace and everything so it matches me perfectly. And I have absolutely no complaints about this unit. I just think it's so pretty. The only thing that I would say, well, you know what, I was gonna say that I wanted it to be just a little bit fuller, but I actually like the density on this one, because I feel like sometimes when it's too full, it just gets overwhelming. It's really hot, you know, in the summertime we don't really want all of that hair on us. Like, let's just be real. So I will say I do like the density for this one. It's very lightweight, so if you like a lightweight unit, you're really gonna like this one as well. And it's also breathable, so that's always important when you have units like this. They have the adjustable strap in the back, and then they also have the adjustable elastic band that is sewn in, which I love, because I've been getting like a lot of units lately that have the adjustable elastic band inside, but the way that they put the band in, like, it comes out, so it's not like as secure, or like once you put it on, it like flips or does something weird in the inside, which makes it like buckle and it's uncomfortable. So I like the fact that this one is secure. I don't have to worry about it like falling out. It's a great fit. You know, that's one of the most important things when you have a glueless install, is to get one that is a great fit. If the fit is off, then you're just not really gonna get, you know, the flat melted install that you guys see here today. So, you know, having a very snug fit is key to this look, and I just absolutely love how it turned out. I mean, like I said, this is the quickest that I've ever done an install. I was like literally sitting there, I'm like, well, I guess I'm done. I have nothing else like to do, because I didn't want to add any baby hair. I just wanted you guys to see like what it's really giving, because I feel like when I add the baby hair, sometimes that acts as like an adhesive, and it's like adhering the unit down, so I can't like do the whole like lift up, pull it back down thing, because my baby hairs are like stuck to my forehead from like the gel and the foaming mousse that I use. So this is what it's giving. So I mean, I would stand up to show you guys where it's hitting on me, but you guys can pretty much just see, but I will like spin around like while I'm sitting down so you guys can see all of the hair to the back and all of that good stuff. So this is what it looks like all in the back. Okay. And once again, like I said, I just really do like the parting space. I like how deep this part goes back, and it's just like super flat on top of that. Just a very beautiful lightweight unit. I love this unit, you guys. So if you're interested in checking it out yourself and you want to get your hands on it, definitely check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Tinashe Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous water wave unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see. And of course, I want to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.